In our summer series, American Wonders, we're exploring places that make America wonderful, from majestic natural landscapes to spectacular creations. This morning, we go on board a historic train bound for the remote Great Basin Desert in northern Nevada. Its passengers are not there to see sunny landscapes, though. They're focused on the views after dark. CBS Sunday morning correspondent Lee Cowan takes us for a ride on the Star Train.
Good morning. From one of the least populated places in the country, aboard one of the oldest operating railroads in the country. It's taking us deep into the high desert of Nevada, where the only thing more scarce than people is light.
These tracks have been here for over 100 years, and to this day, they're about the only man-made things you'll see way out here.
If you leave Ely, there's a sign that says next gas, 164 miles. And they mean 164 miles.
Mark Bassett looks the part of a railroad manager, and it's not for show.
Are you enjoying the trip?
I am. I'm having a great time.
Great.
He's the president of the historic Nevada Northern Railway out of Ely, Nevada. A town built by this railroad that is still chugging along.
It's a long way from just about anywhere, though, to come.
And, you know, that is our strength and our weakness. If we were near Las Vegas right now, that would have all been bulldozed down. But because of our remoteness, it was preserved.
These trains have been running ever since copper was discovered here. There's no ore to haul anymore, but the railroad does offer passengers something as black as coal.
All aboard!
A night ride under the stars. Just before sunset, it heads out for a 3-hour ride toward Great Basin National Park, certified as one of the darkest regions in the lower 48 states. No lights are allowed. Way up ahead is Park Ranger Charlie Reed, racing the sun to set up telescopes before the train arrives.
You just kind of let the sky do the talking for you. You don't have to do much for it, because once you see it, you see it.
And what the Star Train passengers are about to see still impresses even him.
Does it ever get overwhelming out here when you see so
Well, I'll
much
tell
of
you,
it?
the first time I came here, first night I was outside my house, I looked up and I was like, uh-oh.
Because there was just so much.
Uh-oh, I can't find my marker stars. I can't find any of the stars I used to navigate throughout the sky because there were so many.
100 or so years ago, a night sky like this was oddly ordinary. But now, more than a third of the planet's population can't see the Milky Way with the naked eye, all because our world is increasingly polluted with light.
The more darkness we lose, we're going to lose the universe, quite literally, and all the secrets that universe holds.
As the train creeps to a stop, passengers are greeted by the eerie glow of red lanterns.
What do you see from a young man?
And then it happens.
Whoa.
Yeah?
Whoa.
The view of our universe,
Oh my gosh.
the way most have never seen it.
Oh, wow. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my goodness.
This is incredible. I've never seen the Milky Way in my life.
Suzanne Tatus and her 10-year-old nephew James were spellbound.
I couldn't believe my eyes. I've only seen things like that in pictures.
Sue Middendorf came all the way from St. Louis for this view.
It's just beautiful. It really is. It just makes you feel so small.
They look like fireflies gathered around a campfire. But soon it's time to board the Star Train and head back. An excursion into the dark that, for a while anyway, sheds a little light on our place in the universe.
The race to save all of this darkness is gaining steam, but time is of the essence. As modern lighting becomes more powerful and it becomes more cost-effective, even remote places like this one may one day be in danger of living under what some people call eternal twilight.
Wow, what a trip. Huh?
I know. I want to go.
Yeah, me too.
You
said you're taking.
I want to take my future stepson there. That's crazy.
You take Jack, I'll take Journey.
Perfect.
I got
Let's
3
go.
kids.
Next summer, we're there.